Welcome to Beautyistic. Let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered how often you should be replacing the head of your electric razor? It might surprise you to know that using the same head for too long can really affect your shave. Today, I'm reviewing a product that promises to take your grooming experience to the next level, the Braun Electric Shaver Head Replacement Part 94M, designed specifically for the Series 9 Pro and Series 9 electric razors for men. So let's get right into it. This replacement head is meant to keep your razor performing at its best. It's designed to deliver a close, gentle shave while keeping your razor in peak condition. Let's break it down. The Braun 94M shaver head features a unique ProBlade technology, which is designed to shave hair as short as 0.05 millimeters. Now that's impressively close. If you're someone who's all about a super smooth, fresh shave with minimal irritation, this is something you're going to appreciate. And the best part? It's compatible with the Braun Series 9 Pro and Series 9 electric razors. So if you already have one of these razors, this replacement part is a seamless fit. As for the performance, it's not just about the sharpness of the blade, it's also about comfort. This shaver head is designed to capture more hair in the first stroke, making it an exceptionally gentle experience. Whether you're shaving in the morning before work or giving yourself some evening grooming time, the result is the same: a close, smooth shave with no irritation. And let's not forget how easy it is to replace. The head simply clicks into place, no complicated steps or extra tools required. Now let's talk about the experience. While the design is straightforward, it really stands out in terms of efficiency. I've tested it during my husband's regular grooming routine, and he's noticed an immediate difference in the closeness and comfort of his shave. No more pulling or dragging, just a smooth glide. It's easy to tell when a razor head has reached its limit, and this new one definitely brought a noticeable improvement in performance. He found the shave to be both close and comfortable, without any discomfort or irritation. However, there's a downside to this razor head replacement. It's designed for men. That means, for those of us who are looking to test it for ourselves, we can't. So for this review, my husband stepped in and did the testing. But that's part of the reason I can confidently say that it's a good fit for anyone with a Series 9 Pro or Series 9 razor. The quality of craftsmanship on this part is also something that stands out. Made in Germany, Braun continues to show why their products are held to such high standards. If you've owned any of their previous models, you know they don't cut corners. Everything from the way it clicks into place to how it maintains its sharpness over time screams reliability. As far as value for money goes, this is a product that you'll need to replace every 18 months to maintain peak performance. Given the precision and comfort it offers, it feels like a good investment, especially if you want to ensure your razor is always delivering the best shave possible. One last thing to consider: there are other replacement heads on the market, but they may not provide the same quality or performance. Some may be cheaper, but they often lack the same craftsmanship or features that the Braun 94M offers. If you have the Series 9 Pro, this is really the head you need for optimal results. In conclusion, the Braun Electric Shaver Head Replacement Part 94M is a solid option if you're looking to maintain the performance of your Series 9 Pro or Series 9 electric razor. Its close shave, ease of use, and high-quality design make it worth the investment. If you want to continue getting that close, smooth shave without the irritation, this replacement head will definitely do the job. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. And if you've already tried this replacement head, drop a comment below. Let us know what you think.